You already started filming? So yeah. Hi my loves, this is Tracey. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am remaking a set of illustrations, which is so cute. And the original work is cited in the description box if you want to check it out. Forgot to mention, a lot of people found out that the videos of me doing art are never as popular as those of my videos that I was not doing art, which is really confusing for me because I don't know, people just don't love those videos. So this time I'm adding myself talking to the cameras so that you might want to click on it and watch this video. Please stay till the end. I'm gonna pop up again. So close. Ta-da! I'm back. I just really want to say that I love the combination of purple and green, which I never tried before and turned out to be so great. I wish you can also use it in your doodles, your paintings, your PowerPoints presentations even, or whatever final projects you're working on, probably. Good luck on finals, midterms, or whatever you're going through right now. I know it's a difficult time, but I'll make sure to upload videos weekly so that you can check in with me if you want. Just comment in the box below and let me know how you're holding on to your life. I mean, I really want to know how my followers and my friends are going. So take good care of yourself and let me know.